Craig Irwin, Martin Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, commercial sales specialist, Business Link. Right now I'm going to do a little walk around on a 2013 Ram 2500 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. This is actually a new color that's out from Ram. It's a prairie pearl coat is what it is. Almost a beige to a green color, moss green. Truck's equipped with running boards, four-wheel drive, trailer tow mirrors, class exclusive engine exhaust brake. Also has integrated trailer brakes built into the truck, so no more of the little remote boxes to bump your knees on. It's got the fold-out mirrors spoke about earlier. This is a short wheelbase, all-terrain tires all around it. 850 foot-pounds of torque.